Finals are almost here, and an F means summer school or worse. Another semester in the same exact class that you hate. But you've got 3 moves to pull yourself from an F to a C in 30 days before it's too late. I've helped kids turn it around fast, and I'm about to break down the right moves that you can take right now. We're about 60 days from the end of the semester. Finals are right around the corner. An F doesn't just mess up your report card, it messes up your plans for graduation, for jobs, and your freedom. But here's the truth. You can improve grades fast with the right moves. Let's break it down. Tip number 1, self-awareness. Figure out the real problem. You're not failing because you're dumb. There's always another reason. Is it that you don't understand the material? Are you not finishing assignments? Maybe you're skipping class, or real talk, maybe vaping or distractions are in the way. You can't fix it until you name it. I had a student. Let's call him Alex. Alex was failing English 9 because of missing assignments. He was taking the class for the 2nd time already and didn't have any new strategies. I sat with him, asked questions, pinpointed the issue. He realized that time management was the root of his problem. He was wasting time. He focused on the easier, more fun classes and left the boring English class for later. It's just later never came around, and the short stories, they never got read, and the essays never got written. He came up with a plan, though, to make up the missing assignments by meeting with his teacher multiple times a week. He carved out time at night to do them, and he did it. He passed English 9 as a 10th grader. Alex turned it around because he got real with himself. Here's your move. Sit down tonight, grab a notebook, and write it out. What's the one thing tanking your grade? Be honest. No judgments here. Then ask, what's one step to fix it? If you don't get the material, watch a YouTube tutorial. Get a tutor. Stay after school. Go see your teachers before school. And if you don't understand something during class, ask questions. Many classes have aides that can help you as well. If you're not showing up, set an alarm and get to school on time. If it's missing assignments, meet with your teacher to see what's missing. It's very, very simple. I know some of you are thinking, I don't like talking to my teacher. I don't want to go after school. The teacher hates me. These are excuses. Okay, if you're scared, do it scared. That's called courage. You must be resourceful. No one is going to hand you a passing grade. No one's going to come and save you. You have to wake up. Self-awareness is step number 1. It's how you improve grades fast. Tip number 2, be friendly with your teacher. Believe it or not, teachers want you to pass. They're not the enemy. And if they like you, your chances skyrocket. How do I know? I've been teaching for 25 years. It's true, teachers are human. Most teachers get into teaching because they care about kids. I know it may not seem like it some days, or with some teachers, believe it or not, I hate giving kids an F. If I could get a sense that a kid cared, that he's giving effort, I may squeeze out a passing grade so that he doesn't have to retake the course. But sometimes it's crickets, and I have to do what I have to do and hold the student accountable with grades. Now, I have a little secret to tell you. If a teacher likes you, they give you the benefit of doubt. We have the ability to override the grading system before submitting final grades. A teacher can go into the system and override the calculated score. Keep that in mind as you interact with your teacher. Start tomorrow. Greet your teacher. Hey, how's your day, Miss C? What's up, Miss C? Stay after class. Once this week, just stay after. I'm struggling with this. Can you help? Can you tell me what's going to be on the test Friday? Ask them small things like, got any plans this weekend? Or how was your weekend, Miss C? It's not sucking up, it's building trust. It's showing that you care. Teachers give more to students they know care. They're human. This one move can be the difference between failing and passing. Tip number 3, mindset. Get your head in the game. You've figured out why you're failing. You've got a fix. You're tight with your teacher. Now you need the mindset to make it happen. Your big why is this. You want to graduate on time. No summer school, no retaking a class you already don't like. That's fuel. Use it. I had a student, let's call her Angela. Angela was struggling in school. Lots of drama with peers, aggression, fighting, especially with girls. It was a huge distraction and led to multiple suspensions and time out of school, which led to the possibility of failing. After pinpointing the issue and just getting tired of being sick and tired, she grew up within a matter of weeks. No more petty argument or drama with anyone. She kept her head down and passed all her classes. She even locked into her first part-time job months later. Angela flipped her mindset. Here's how you do it. Every morning, remind yourself why. Write it down. I'm passing so I don't retake this class. Picture walking at graduation, not stuck in summer school. Then break it down. 30 days, 4 weeks. What's one thing you'll do each week? Week 1, nail self-awareness. Connect with your teacher. Week 2, grind. Make up assignments. Get tutoring. Week 3, grind more. An hour a day, no distractions. Continue to communicate with your teacher. Week 4, repeat and you'll pass. Mindset turns your plan into action. This is how to pass fast. Let's zoom out. This isn't just about passing. It's about proving you can turn it around. I've seen kids use these moves to not just pass, but to figure out jobs, money, life after high school. You're building skills, self-awareness, connection, grit. That'll carry you way past finals. Here's what's coming on this channel though. I'm going to start bringing in real people, skilled tradesmen, business people, even rappers and athletes who've been where you are. This channel is your spot for real guidance for school, career, cash, relationships, and health. Subscribe. You're not alone in this. Finals are coming. It's not too late, but you've got to move now. Self-awareness, teacher connection, and mindset. I'm Smith Proserpine. This is about passing, but it's also about your future. Like and subscribe, and let's keep this going.